Hi, welcome. Envy, the corrosion bug. Envy isn't just wanting what others have. It's about forgetting what you already do. It eats you from the inside, quiet, slow, constant. Today, envy lives in Instagram scrolls, highlight reels, perfect bodies, perfect lives. But none of it is real. Not the way your life is real. It's just make believe. When I started this program, envy hit me harder than I thought it would. I would look at people my age doing better in life, with more money, a better body, cleaner habits, and sharper discipline. And every time the comparison dragged me lower, I wasn't angry at them. I was disappointed in myself. That's the corrosion. It wears you down until you forget. You forget your own wins. You forget how well you're doing in life. But envy has a flip side. Hidden underneath it is a map, a direction. Envy shows you exactly what matters to you, what part of your life wants improvement, what part of you wants to grow. If comparison is the thief of joy, then awareness is the antidote. So let's work on it. What's our patch? Step 1. We're gonna keep our stack. Our gratitude, scrub, exercise, meditation, declutter, all those stay running. Every week, same thing. Step 2. A comparison pause. When envy rises, stop and say, I choose my lane. I choose what I want. I choose what I have. Step 3. Reclaim your energy. For everything you envy, write one action that you can take for yourself. Step 4. Mirror check. Every night, one thing you did right. Not perfect, just right. Love it. Remember the good things too. Step 5. Connection swap. Instead of scrolling, message someone you admire. Tell them what you like about their work without expecting anything in return. Just acknowledge how well they are performing. And here's the truth. Envy fades when gratitude grows. Growth begins when comparison stops, and energy returns when you choose your lane again. Record yourself, savor the win, and stay on course. One day at a time. Remember to record yourself and say, I did it. I kept my stack. I kept my value. I chose my lane, and I'm proud of myself. I made it throughout the week. Patch has been installed. Your value has been updated. Let's go.